Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to learn your Essential English, course book 9. Turn page 11. Today we are going to learn a poetry written by Henry Van Dyke. Okay, this poem is Life. It is a very good poem. This poem is about facing life's challenges with positive outlook. So let us read and enjoy the poem. I will read all of it first and then I'll explain it to you in Mizo. Let me but live my life from year to year, with forward face and unreluctant soul, not hurrying to, nor turning from the goal, not mourning for things that disappear in the dim past, nor holding back in fear from what the future veils, but with a whole and happy heart that pays its toll to youth and age, and travels on with cheer. So let the way wind up the hill or down, or rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy, new friendship, high adventure, and a crown. My heart will keep the courage of the quest, and hope the road's less turn will be the best. This is a sonnet. Sonnet contains one in poetry. Tarasompali aziakini, tarasompali. Tutu taruyat le tarukin ang chenchina. Tung to sonnet, ani sonnet itu Italian trong sonata ti changalakani. A sonata itu it means a little song, a small song. Okay, tatlate tap ti namay ni. Tatson he tuziak to Henry Van Dyke. Sansin hi temte kan soilo kanga kumsang kazakwa. Henry Jackson Van Dyke ani a Pennsylvania USA alo pianga writer ani a thuziak mi thi am tak ani a tin pastor ani bokani Caution pastor ani boka talent anga ema thontu toy ze athiam ema poem te essay te tin pathiam thu te potam tak zia kani kumsang khazakwa khanin Marie Professor of English Literature ni in Princeton University azir tirchina kumsang khazakwa period khanin University of Paris visiting lecturer ani American housing chon short stories ya amber pola an nei ani Henry Jackson Van Dyke tuna po hian he a poetry life ti hi poetry thata mai ani mishingten kanun kan thlir dan tur le kan malam hun atana le tuna kanun me katana kan ri ruput mang tur aron ziana ani ta chuan ti hian ron chanta let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul. So kanun hi kumatharzel angin lo upazel ma sila kazam don chuang lovani kamahun kalaton ngai lo te tong tur hian chakna in min thwam zelanga chuwang chuan hlau lovin palampanin zam lovin kanun hi ke chu kamang zel donani not hurrying to, no turning from the goal. Amaro chu man mo lu tu ka wang hian mishing kanin pal fo china chu tiang ang ni lo tur chuan man mo hau lovin kanun ka manga amaro chu kathil tuma ka chiang nga chu kathil tum ero chu ka kalsan don chuang lovani kathil tum kalsan chuang lovin kanun chu kapmang dona not mourning for the things mourning kan ti chuan hazin ti na ni lo nia look at the spelling mourning ti chu hun kal to ngai awanga chap te mi thi ngai chap te poni thei not mourning for the things that disappear in the dim past ka hun kal to awanga kanun te nguai takle shom taka mangmai tur kanilawa nor holding back in fear from what the future veils tin kamahun tur hi ka shat lok lo wangin kamahun lo thleng tur po hi kahlau chuang lo ani kahlau chuang lo wa chu wangin kamahun lo thleng tur ka shat lok reng lo thleng tur po hi hlau chungin ke zong ka ma chon don lo but with a whole and happy heart chu ai chuanin thinlung lim tak thinlung zau tak pu in ke chu ka ma chon zelanga ti chuan kanun ka mang zelanga that pays its toll to youth and age and travels on with cheer ta chuanin no pangte har sat na eng ma la tok lo te ina an nun an mang ang mai hian ke chuan ka mang don ani ti chuan ka zin kong hi hlim takin ka zo thei don ani. So let the way wind up the hill or down, wind up kan ti chuan go with many bends and twists. Go with many bends and twists. Harasatak hun kirtak le harasatak te ka zin kong a hian tok ve chin ma ilang. Over, O-E-R is a short form of over. Over rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. So tiyang ang hun siom mo, hun lim mo, hun harsakara po, tun ang riru kaputa, huay sen tagakaom pot suan, kazing kong hihim, takin kaizong kazo teido na ni. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy, new friendship, high adventure, and a crown. No pangte kanilay tato kan, he kovela kadam chung hian, hil zon kalaniya, to chian tarde po kalama mo mel shia tarde po kaladua, tin kalaton ngay lau til noam tak ton te kazing ngay lau nung huna zin te po noam kalati renga, tin tunay na te, lal na te, sumle pai to klangin, chung to kazon, alani fanani, no pangte kanilaya, kazon ka, tun keng yang kalamutsuang lawa, to mizong ka hun hi ka mang ring tawa, my heart will keep the courage of the quest. Amaro katum ram theng tur ero chuan karil ru hian chakna alanei ring thawa chakna kapai ring don thawani ama ero chu poimo ta em chu and hope the road's last turn will be the best. Kan hun ton zong zunga hian kan hun to berhi kan hun chaber ni mol ro se kan hun man to ber kan thi hun dar kar hi tur hi kan shasilawa kan thi hun dar kar tur hi kan hun to na zonga chuan hun chaber launi ro se tina ani. That is the poem of Life by Henry Van Dyke, and I am giving you an assignment. Page 12, number 7, read these lines from the poem and answer the questions that follows, A and B. And happy heart that pays its toll to youth and age and travels on with you. What do you think the poet means by happy heart that pays its toll to youth and age? That means the poet thinks that if he lives his life like a little child with what to say, like a little child having doing nothing wrong, okay, who is doing nothing wrong. So if he lives his heart like that, his journey will be joy. That means his life will be full of joy. Is the poet young or old? The poet is old, okay, because give evidence from the poem. See, still seeking what I sought when but a boy. This proves that. You will write it out. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy. What is the poet seeking? The poet is seeking new friendship, high adventure, and a crown. Do you think the poet's quest is fulfilled? No, the poet's quest, do not to fulfill. The puitlin alanilaw. Give evidence because the poet is saying that he is still seeking for it. Kalazong ringani atika. Ani. How does the speaker wish to lead his life? The speaker wishes to live his life with forward face and unreluctant soul. What does the speaker not mourning for? The speaker does not mourning for the things that disappear in the dim past. In what manner does the poet wish to achieve his goal? The speaker wishes to achieve his goal by not hurrying to, but not turning from it. That is the answer. Do it neatly and tidily in your notebook. Thank you.